Fuel injectors play a critical role in modern engines, delivering precise amounts of fuel into each cylinder for efficient combustion. But when injectors begin to fail, they can cause a variety of problems, including rough engine performance, poor fuel economy, and even misfires. Many people assume that fuel injectors simply wear out over time. However, in most cases, injector failure is actually caused by underlying issues within the fuel system. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the most common causes of fuel injector failure, and more importantly, what you can do to help prevent these problems before they lead to expensive repairs. Number 1. Clogging and deposits. One of the most common reasons fuel injectors begin to fail is deposit buildup. Over time, small amounts of fuel can remain on the injector tip after the engine is shut down. As the engine heats up and cools down repeatedly, those fuel residues can slowly turn into hardened carbon deposits. These deposits form around the injector nozzle, the tiny opening responsible for spraying fuel into the engine. When buildup begins to restrict that opening, the injector can no longer produce a clean, finely atomized spray pattern. Instead of a smooth mist, the fuel may start spraying unevenly or in larger droplets. When that happens, combustion becomes less efficient. The engine may start running rough, hesitate during acceleration, or lose some power. Deposit buildup tends to develop gradually, especially in vehicles that make frequent short trips where the engine doesn't stay hot long enough to burn off residue. And over time, that restriction can be severe enough to make a healthy injector behave like a failing one. Number 2. Fuel contamination. Another major cause of fuel injector failure is contamination in the fuel system. Fuel injectors operate with extremely tight internal tolerances. Inside the injector, tiny components such as the needle and valve seat must move with precise control to deliver the correct amount of fuel. When dirt, debris, or rust particles enter the fuel system, those contaminants can pass through the fuel rail and into the injector. Because the internal clearances are so small, even microscopic particles can cause damage. Over time, those particles can wear down internal surfaces, interfere with the injector's movement, or partially block the nozzle. Water contamination can be even more harmful. Unlike fuel, water provides no lubrication and can promote corrosion inside the injector. Once corrosion begins forming on precision components, the injector may start sticking, leaking, or failing to seal properly. In many cases, contamination damage develops slowly, and by the time symptoms appear, the internal components may already be significantly worn. Number 3. Fuel pressure issues. Fuel pressure problems can also make injectors appear to be failing, even when the injectors themselves are still functioning properly. Fuel injectors rely on a stable and consistent fuel pressure to deliver the correct amount of fuel into the engine. That pressure is typically supplied by the fuel pump and regulated by the fuel system. If the fuel pump becomes weak, or if the fuel filter becomes heavily clogged, the pressure in the system can drop or become unstable. When that happens, the injectors may not receive enough fuel to operate correctly. The result can be symptoms such as hesitation, poor acceleration, rough running, or even engine misfires. Because these symptoms are very similar to those of a failing injector, fuel pressure problems are sometimes misdiagnosed as injector failure. In reality, the injector may still be working normally, but the fuel system simply isn't delivering the pressure it needs to perform properly. Number 4. Stiction. Diesel only. In some diesel engines, fuel injector problems can also be caused by a condition known as stiction. This issue is most commonly associated with diesel engines that use HEUI type injectors, where engine oil plays an important role in operating the injector. Over time, oil contamination, sludge, or varnish buildup can accumulate around small internal components such as the spool valve. When this buildup forms, it can cause the internal parts to move less freely or even stick temporarily. When that happens, the injector may not respond as quickly or as precisely as it should. Drivers may notice symptoms like hard-cold starts, rough idle, or inconsistent engine performance, especially when the engine is first started. Because the internal components are sticking instead of moving smoothly, the injector cannot control fuel delivery the way it was designed to. Number 5. Wear and tear. Like any precision component, fuel injectors can also wear out over time. Inside the injector are small moving parts, including springs, valves, and the injector needle that open and close thousands of times every minute while the engine is running. After many years of operation, those internal components can gradually begin to wear. As that wear increases, the injector may no longer control fuel flow as precisely as it once did. The spray pattern can become less consistent, and fuel delivery may start to vary between cylinders. However, it's important to understand that fuel injectors are designed to last a very long time. In many modern vehicles, injectors can often last 150,000 miles or more, and in some cases, they may even last the life of the engine, especially when the fuel system is kept clean and properly maintained. Number 6. Electronic or mechanical damage. Fuel injectors can also fail due to electrical or mechanical problems inside the injector itself. Most modern fuel injectors use an electronically controlled solenoid to open and close the injector at very precise intervals. This allows the engine control module to regulate exactly how much fuel enters each cylinder. If the solenoid becomes weak, develops an internal short, or fails to receive proper electrical signals, the injector may not respond correctly. In some cases, the injector may open too slowly, respond inconsistently, or fail to open at all. Mechanical damage can also occur over time. The injector nozzle can become worn or damaged, and internal seals may begin to leak. When that happens, the injector may no longer deliver fuel with the precision required for efficient combustion. In certain situations, deteriorated O-rings around the injector can also cause external fuel leaks, which may lead to fuel odors or visible fuel around the injector area. As we've seen, fuel injectors can fail for a variety of reasons, from contamination and carbon buildup to electrical or mechanical damage inside the injector itself. While some of these issues develop gradually over time, many of them can actually be reduced or even avoided with proper maintenance and a few good fuel system habits. So the next question is, how can you help prevent fuel injector problems before they start? Let's take a look at several simple steps that can help keep your fuel injectors operating properly and extend their service life. Number 1. Use quality fuel and additives. One of the simplest ways to protect your fuel injectors is by using high-quality fuel. Fuel from reputable, high-volume stations is generally less likely to contain dirt, debris, or excess moisture. Because the fuel supply is constantly being replenished, it reduces the chance of contamination sitting in underground storage tanks for long periods. Using a fuel injector cleaner occasionally can also help keep the injectors operating properly. Over time, small deposits can form around the injector tip and affect the spray pattern. Fuel system cleaning additives are designed to help dissolve these deposits and maintain proper fuel atomization. Using a cleaner periodically, about every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, can help prevent buildup before it becomes severe. Additives such as those from seafoam are commonly used to help keep the fuel system clean and maintain injector performance. Number 2. Change fuel filters regularly. Another important step in protecting your fuel injectors is replacing the fuel filter at the recommended service interval. The fuel filter acts as the first line of defense in the fuel system. Its job is to trap dirt, rust particles, and other contaminants before they reach sensitive components like the fuel pump and injectors. Over time, however, the filter gradually becomes saturated with debris. As it becomes clogged, its ability to capture contaminants can decrease. When that happens, small particles may begin passing through the filter and entering the fuel system. If those particles reach the injectors, they can damage internal components, interfere with fuel delivery, or even partially block the injector nozzle. Replacing the fuel filter on schedule helps ensure that contaminants are stopped before they reach the precision parts inside the injectors. Number 3. Avoid excessive idling. Diesel. For diesel engines, another way to protect fuel injectors is to avoid excessive idling whenever possible. When a diesel engine sits and idles for long periods, the combustion temperature is typically lower than during normal driving conditions. Lower combustion temperatures can lead to incomplete fuel combustion. As a result, more soot and carbon particles are produced inside the engine. Over time, these particles can contribute to deposit buildup in various parts of the fuel system, including around the injector tips. If this buildup becomes severe, it can affect how the injector sprays fuel into the combustion chamber. Limiting long periods of unnecessary idling can help reduce soot accumulation and keep diesel injectors operating more efficiently. Number 4. Regular maintenance. Regular engine maintenance also plays an important role in protecting fuel injectors. When other engine systems are not operating properly, it can directly affect how fuel is burned inside the combustion chamber. Problems such as a weak ignition system, poor air-fuel mixture, or sensor faults can lead to incomplete combustion. Over time, inefficient combustion can contribute to increased carbon deposits and fuel system contamination, which may eventually affect injector performance. Addressing engine problems early and keeping the vehicle properly maintained helps ensure that the fuel system continues operating under the correct conditions. And when the engine runs efficiently, the injectors are far less likely to experience premature failure. Maintaining the fuel system properly can greatly reduce the risk of injector problems and help extend their service life. However, it's still important to understand the warning signs that may appear if an injector begins to develop issues. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent more serious engine problems and allow the issue to be addressed before further damage occurs. When fuel injectors begin to develop problems, the engine usually starts showing a few warning signs. Common symptoms may include engine misfires, rough idle, reduced engine performance, or an unexpected drop in fuel economy. In some cases, the check engine light may also appear, and in more severe situations, you might even notice the smell of fuel or visible fuel leakage. However, these symptoms are not always caused by the injectors themselves. Many other fuel system problems can produce very similar signs. If you want a deeper explanation of how to identify bad fuel injector symptoms, make sure to check out our detailed guide where we break down the most common warning signs to look for. Understanding what causes fuel injectors to fail and how to prevent those problems can help keep your engine running efficiently and avoid unnecessary repairs. Fuel injectors are designed to operate with extreme precision, but like any component in the fuel system, they rely on clean fuel, proper engine conditions, and regular maintenance to perform at their best. And as we mentioned earlier, fuel injectors rarely fail without a reason. In most cases, the problem develops gradually due to contamination, carbon buildup, poor fuel quality, or other issues within the fuel system. By maintaining the vehicle properly and recognizing early warning signs, many injector-related problems can be prevented before they lead to more serious engine damage. If you'd like to learn more about the common symptoms of failing fuel injectors, be sure to check out our detailed guide where we explain the warning signs you should never ignore. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more automotive maintenance tips like this. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.